Hello everyone. We are going to tell you about Trading Central today. We have recently done a tie-up with Trading Central. So we let you know how our Tribe clients can use Trading Central for their trading. Basically, Trading Central is a platform which gives you free access for technical, fundamental, and sentimental analysis for all the type of pairs in which you are trading. So all our Tribe clients will be benefited from that. This will help you in your trading by saving a lot of your time and by giving you profitable opportunities. All right. So this will be when we click on this research platform, this technical views. You see, it has five types of filters: Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and commodities. In Forex, you will be getting access to all the Forex currency pairs which you will be using for your trading. Suppose you click here, ideas, timeline, trend. These are all the filters which you can use in your trading. When you use on crypto, you get the filter for time frame and trend. When you click on stocks, you get filter for country, like for which particular country stocks you are looking for, what sectors you are looking for, time frame and trend. When you click on indices, the time frame is this, trend you can choose. When you click on commodities, you can see. Now suppose you want to trade today for crude oil, you can see, you can just click here and you can see the technical analysis indicators they are using is moving average, Bollinger Bands and RSI. Plus it has a complete outlook for you, like this will be a bullish momentum or bearish, and it will give you support and resistance levels as well. Now if you scroll down, you can see support and resistance level, like what can be the levels from where we can see a momentum in the market, what can be the alternate scenario. So this is how technical views actually works. Now when we click on economic insight basically give you an access for the economic calendar. Economic calendar contains all the important news that are important for you in the market, like whatever data is lined up today, so that you can make sure that your trading is up to the mark, and you can make sure that according to the data you can take trades and you can take opportunity of the data. In this, you can set up the date from here. Suppose we are using GMT plus 5:30 time, and you can use the filters like what is the importance of data. You want to see medium data, high data, or low data, low impact data basically, and what type of events you are looking for, what type of countries you want to choose in the data. Like this filters you can choose, and you'll see a list of, suppose I am seeing here for 23rd of July what data is lined up. So you can see that this shows that PPI YOY data is lined up, and like this you can scroll it down. Now, when I click on Market Buzz basically means what is the chit chat going in the financial world. This will tell you all the relevant news in the market. Suppose I'm clicking on stocks, okay, and I want to use the filter of USA. From here, you can choose again sectors, okay, and from here you can choose the bubble sentiment, bubble color. You can choose. You can see this is very user friendly interface which we are using, okay. Now, suppose we want to look for the Tesla. Now, here you can see that for the sentimental analysis is saying for this Tesla, like traders are majorly bearish, sentiment score is given, confidence index, like how much they are confident in the sentiment, and the sentimental history chart you see. Apart from this is a very good feature of peer comparison, like what are the other peers of Tesla, how they are going to impact. And if we click on news analytics, you can see about news, trends, most discussed topics, and direct source for the news. If you're going to click on any news, you'll be redirected to that page. If I go back here, let me choose commodity. Let's see some commodity if we are going to look for any. Suppose we are looking for gold. Here we can go on the direct sentiment score again, almost same. News analytics, we see all the news, what are the news related to the gold in different platforms. So this is how Market Buzz actually works. You can change theme from here, you can select cryptos from here, you can select indices from here, and like this you can proceed for the Market Buzz. This is something very important for you, like fundamental analysis directly or indirectly impact the market. You can see what are the plans for economy for you and how this will impact your particular currency pair. If we go on featured ideas, featured ideas is basically gives you a directly, you can say that signal something like this. See, here you can see what pair you are going to choose. Let's choose GBP USD. When we're clicking over here, this gives us a scenario like this is bullish or bearish. We can see a very good chart with proper indicators, and they have made the channel as well, like what is the momentum hammer, and what they have found, like what you can see in the candlestick patterns, what is available for you. They have given a very good detailed technical analysis for you. So this you can use in your trading. So basically the point is, if you're using this platform and if you are using all this is going to save a lot of your time, and this is going to give you a accuracy, because this is prepared with the help of experts of the market, and with the help of them when they are making it, this is something very unique for you and very important for you. This we can see here clearly. In the market bus section, we have covered all the fundamental news. In the economic, we have covered economic analysis. In the technical and in the featured ideas, we have covered completely technical analysis. So suppose you want to trade in euro USD today, it is very simple for you. From featured ideas, you can take the details of pair. From technical views, you can take technical analysis for it, and you can see from economic insight, you can see is there any data that is going to affect that particular pair. And when it comes to market buzz, you can see it very clearly, like what is the relevant news available in the market. So stay tuned with Trive International. We'll come up with a more very soon. Thank you so much.
Trive.